Today, it is sticky. We do have a weak front to our north. That's going to continue to track further south, and that's going to enhance our rain chance this afternoon and evening. This morning, though, what's directing the rain chance is an onshore wind. You can see that out of the south and west. We've got plenty of moisture in the Gulf right now, so plenty of fuel for these afternoon showers and storms. You see the more moist air here, where the darker shading indicating the drier air that will work in tomorrow. Don't want to give anyone false hope. Tomorrow it's still going to be a little on the sticky side, but we'll drop to the mid-60s as compared to the mid-70s for the dew point we're seeing this morning. And the only rain that we're tracking right now are these few onshore showers moving through Collier County. This one just moving through Sunnyland. Well, I guess right in between Sunnyland and Miles City. So right over State Road 29 right now, tracking further east. It's fairly light rain, as is this area of rain right over the Port of the Islands. It's going to continue to track further east, closer to, I would say, Jerome, as we head into later this morning. It's very light rain, though, and that's the trend that we'll see this morning from east to west. A few of these, from west to east, a few of these spotty showers working through, but the rain chance is spotty at best this morning, upping to about 30% this afternoon. As you step out the door, don't forget the umbrella, but you can definitely forget the jacket this morning. It is warm. Our temperatures are starting in the 70s, and not just low 70s, but 76 right now in Fort Myers, 79 in Naples. We're at 75 in Port Charlotte, even 74 for LaBelle and Immokalee. So steamy right from the start, with dew point also in the 70s. A dew point of 78 in Naples is absolutely uncomfortable, and that's even an improvement from that. I believe 83 was the dew point at one point yesterday afternoon in Naples. That's just brutal. So we are starting at the very top of our muggy meter, that oppressive summer-like humidity we typically feel in July or August. It's there today. I've been mentioning this weak front that'll drop us to the mid-60s on the muggy meter tomorrow as some slightly drier air moves in, and that will feel like a bit of relief from today, but we're still not going to have the completely refreshing conditions. And you see the wind pick up as that front approaches, so at times a little breezy this afternoon, 10 to 20, and then behind the front, that slightly drier air working in with a northwest wind tonight. Ahead of the front, though, we'll continue to see a lot of moisture, so partly to mostly cloudy skies this morning, and then heading into this afternoon, a few scattered showers and storms associated with the front. But you notice as it tracks further south, the west side of the peninsula going to lose a lot of the precipitation potential, where the east side of the peninsula even could see a slight risk, or a marginal level 1 risk for severe weather. We're looking mainly dry through this evening, just that 30% rain chance, and then the drier air moves in overnight, and that'll give us a little more sun tomorrow. But the first half of today, we do expect the partly to mostly cloudy skies with temperatures in the mid-80s even by midday, and a few spotty showers, maybe a couple thunderstorms. 87 for Clewiston, 86 today in Murdoch, 92 in Achapee, 84 in Fort Myers Beach. You can see as this front clears the area, a few showers and storms ahead of it, but behind it, quieter conditions. So that will limit rain chance quite a bit for tomorrow and Wednesday, dropping it to just 20%. So very, very isolated, and offering us a little bit of relief in the form of slightly lower dew point in the 60s. But what it will not do is bring us cooler conditions. Highs will still be in the upper 80s, near 90 through the end of the work week. Chris?